Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Shibadoge or Shibadoge on your Metamask. First, log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. And once you've logged on, simply scroll down and copy this Ethereum address. Once you've copied, minimize and head over to your Metamask. Once you've opened up Metamask, make sure you're on the Ethereum network by simply clicking on whatever network is at the top of the screen. So at the top, we have Smart Chain. Click on Ethereum, the main chain, and once there, simply scroll down and click on Import Tokens. Click on Custom Token here. Paste the token address we just copied. Paste. And you simply wait for the token symbol and decimal to be automatically imputed. Okay guys, and the next step is to click on import, and once you've been able to click on import, the Shibadoge would then be displayed on your tokens menu. From here, all you need to do is simply click on this browser icon, click on this tab, and simply open up uniswap.org. So with Uniswap opened up, so our next step is to click on select token, and once you've clicked on select token, simply paste the address in this space here. Paste the address here, click on paste, click on Shibadoge, click on continue, and as you can see, it's going to give us a very good amount of the SHIB. So guys, in order to take this trade, you're going to need Ethereum, and the only way you can get Ethereum for a cheap price is if you head over to the KuCoin. And once KuCoin has opened up, make sure you've logged in. And by simply using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to win 3,200 USDT worth of gifts and trading bonuses just by using our link. Make sure you're able to deposit any sort of cryptocurrency ranging from USDT to Shiba Inu to SHIB to Doge. Any of these tokens here can be deposited, including Arbitrum. And once you've deposited, all you need to do is simply scroll and click on convert, and now we can simply convert our USDT into Ethereum and then make that withdrawal. So click on this XRP and search for ETH, click on Ethereum, and now we can simply swap our $10 worth of USDT or $100 worth of USDT into a good amount of the Ethereum. Once that's done, head over to the assets menu, click on this withdrawal, and simply select ETH or search for ETH, Ethereum, click on Ethereum, select the network, which is going to be the ERC20 network, and all you need to do is paste your Metamask address here, and the Ethereum would then be deposited directly into your Metamask, which you can then simply reload this whole process on the Uniswap, reload this whole process, and simply trade. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can buy Shibadoge on Metamask, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.